What's good, everybody, bro? If it looks like I look tired, bro, it's because Nike decided to drop a Kobe on a Thursday morning, and I actually got these early last night, and I'm just debating if I should get some extra pairs because there's a lot of controversy surrounding this shoe, and I'm about to open up the shoe that we're talking about in question, and it's the Kobe 5 X-Rays. Me personally, I think it's a dope looking shoe, but there's a lot of controversy in it. So let's get through the unboxing. I'm gonna tell you what people are thinking about it, why they hating on it. Me personally, I don't think it's that bad, but we're gonna get into it, man. So this is the shoe right here. It looks fire, man. Let me know your initial thoughts in the comment section below, man, because I like them. I like them, some people don't. But let's get into the boxing first, and then we're gonna tap into the shoes. So standard Kobe box. Me personally, I think if we're doing something like special, crazy colorway like this, I think we need to start including that special packaging, bro. I get it. I'm saying, like, we don't get any other Kobe boxes differently outside of the Mambasita Kobe's, which I think they're just trying to separate the two. But something like this, which is crazy, bro. Bro, these even glow in the dark, bro. You gotta have some type of special packaging. You didn't even give us no extra laces or nothing. Glow in the dark laces would be crazy, but we didn't even get those, man. And I'll show you guys the glow in the dark later in the video because it's actually pretty cool. Next, let's get into the sizing. So this is a 11.5. Here's a sizing chart for y'all to look at real quick. So this is a Kobe 5. Colorway is deep royal, which you guys can see right here surrounding the whole shoe, and Baltic blue. So I'm assuming it's the Nike swoosh right here, which has that lighter blue, this glowing sole right here, and then also just the skeleton colorway as well. So let's go ahead. Oh, and then the color code is HJ4303-400. Now, like I said, I'm recording this video as it's coming out. I doubt that these will sit, even with all the controversy surrounding it. But in the case that it is, you can type in that color code into your search engine. See if you can maybe get lucky for retail. If not, there's a lot of aftermarket places that will be selling these. And you can also hit up my Instagram @forthettoe_ to tap in with me. I'll help you get a pair. So with that being said, man, let's get into the shoe. I like the shoe. I think it's dope. This is the Kobe 5 X-Ray, obvious reasons. And here we have a X-ray of Kobe's foot. Now, it might not even be his foot. It might just be a skeleton in general. I don't know. I don't think that's really important. But I think that's where the controversy got into, right? This is supposed to be a play on Kobe endured a lot of injuries during his career. And if you're a fan or just know casual ball, you should know that as well. And he played through a lot of those injuries. And I think they even have a shirt that comes out with it that's officially from Nike. And the slogan of it is bent, not broken. So that just shows the whole concept of the X-rays, like Kobe's Mamba mentality, playing through the injuries. And so they did that by putting the X-ray of his bone skeleton on the shoe, and it glows in the dark for added effect. And it's supposed to be kind of like a Halloween themed shoe. So you're kind of 2 for 1. Me personally, I'm not mad at it. Now, I'll tell you why the people are getting mad at it. They think that it's too soon. Too soon from his death. And now, I could see where they're coming from, but at the same time, I think it is a little reached. And you guys can let me know in the comment section below. Now, I don't know exactly how long it's been. I think it's been like a couple of years by now from his death. So I feel like there will never be a good or bad time, right? People are saying too soon, bro. It's been a couple of years. And just because we have skeletons and bones does not mean that it directly correlates to death. And the way that he died, it doesn't really even have anything to do with like bones or skeletons. It might be different if like he passed away from like falling off of a high-story building and like, you know, bones got scattered. Then I feel like that you can have a good case for it. Let's not even try it with this concept. But I don't think that the way that he passed has really anything to do with it. And I think people are really forcing this whole agenda. And again, we already have a lot of bandwagons when it comes to Kobe Bryant post his death, which it is what it is. If you want to support him, cool. But it is done ugly on both sides because at the same time, I do feel like Nike knows what they're doing sometimes, and they make cash grabs out of these shoes, and this could potentially be one of them. Now, with all that being said, I still think the design is good. I still think the concept is good because it flows perfectly with Kobe Bryant. And now, here's another thing as well. These shoes aren't for me. I love them. I think they're a cool design. If I just had just extra money just to be just having shoes where I would never wear, I would buy these. But I feel like I'm past that age group to where I would have a bright one. I don't like blue, so let's start there. But just having this dark blue and just bright blue shoe with skeletons over it, and it glows in the dark. And I'll show you guys the glow in the dark right here, because it was actually super hard to get the glow, because you have to kind of put it up to the light. I put myself in the closet, pause. I trapped myself in there. It was super dark. The glow was completely faint. And so I had to put it against the light. And then when I turned it on, the whole bottom glowed, and then the whole skeleton glows. A lot of people don't know that the whole skeleton glows. Now, again, this would do wonders for the younger me, right? But I feel like I'm past that age. But I think it's perfect because there's a huge amount of kids. There's a whole new generation where once Kobe passed away, there's a lot of kids starting basketball at that same time. And so they never had the privilege to buy some Kobe's without it being either costing an arm and leg or going through all these hoops just to get a Kobe for retail. And now that we're adding new designs to it, like these newer generation designs that aren't like the originals, like the What Does, the Grinches, etc., it caters to these kids, these young kids that are, potentially in AAU basketball, playing for the school, etc. So I like that for them. Me personally, I think this shoe does have a really big niche. I feel like it's just supposed to be like a fun shoe, right? It's a Halloween themed shoe. It still follows the concept and the persona of Kobe Bryant. I don't think people should be mad at it, but I do understand where people won't pick this up because it's quote unquote doing too much. But if you look past that, bro, if it's just like a collector piece, a collector's item, or if you just really like Kobe Bryant, like how you say you do, I feel like you should have no issue with the shoe. Like I said, if I just had money just to be buying the shoe that I know I would never touch, because let's keep it a buck. Where am I gonna wear these to? I feel like these are too detailed of a colorway, too exclusive of a colorway for me to go to my local fitness connection and play fours with an old head that's gonna be fouling me all game. I'm not busting out these. I don't play it at no professional level. I don't play AU. It's just not, and I'm for sure not wearing these casual, bro. Now Kobe has made some casual. You shouldn't be wearing casual basketball shoes for casual wear in general, but he has made some more shoes in the recent years that you could pop off in a casual setting, the AU setting, Mama see the all black one, or even the all white ones. Those are cool. But these, I just feel like there's not a lot of situations where you're really busting these out for real. And I think that plays more into the hate of it. They don't want to say that it's a bad colorway, because it's not, so they kind of reach with this whole different agenda, which I don't really approve at all, because I think this is a great shoe. Kobe 5, one of the more popular shoes. I think a lot of people love the Kobe 5s over all of the other Kobe's, because you also get Kobe 8s. They're really low top. This has that higher ankle support, so it's pretty dope. They are still going to run small though, but that's all Kobe's. But these are fire, man. These are fire, bro. I like them. You're getting two concepts in one. You're getting the Halloweens. You're getting the bent, not broken. You get to really show that Mamba mentality. But I do think that it is catered to kids as well. But overall, I think the execution was well. The colorway is done right. I love all the different blends of blue that are coming together. Even on the tongue, we got this mint coral on the Kobe logo. And then we got his signature on the back right here. I love them, bro. I love them from a distance. I love them from a distance, man. But yeah, these come out this morning. Like I said, I got an early pair. I really, it's going to be shaky. Honestly, they're going to sell out for sure. I just don't know how much they're going to do on the resale market. I do see these going up a lot later on in life, because I think people are going to quickly look past that fake agenda of, because they were really trying to cancel Nike over this, bro. Bro, y'all shouldn't be doing this. Y'all know y'all dead wrong, this and that. Bro. Let Nike get their money. You want to do a little cash grab, but I don't think this shoe is offensive whatsoever. If you guys think it's offensive, you guys can let me know in the comment section below. But I think it's cool. I think it's good for the new generation, these AAU kids, and I think they will love them, man. So that's it for the unboxing, man. These are pretty dope. I love them. They glow in the dark, cool colorway. Kobe 5, one of the best Kobe's out there, silhouettes wise. Can't go wrong with it. So with that being said, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.